The KAMAX CUB series have 5 different models, which I will introduce you now. So come take a look at me. The CUB Pro is the first one I would like to introduce. It's bringing the well-known style with a real quality and the heritage touch. You can see the colors, how it can be red, white, green, blue, and all looks very, very unique and very good. The next one I would like to show you is the CT 125cc, and it can be driven off-road. You see how it can front carrier, a hand protector, the lights, and this is really interesting. You can even bring your big luggage on the rear carrier. And here's the CUB X, which is a smaller, tinier version, and it's a really agility of riding the streets. I really like how the aluminum is looking here when you can see all the black, how good it's looking. So here are other models of the CUB Pro series. Look at this color, I really like it, shiny and really good looking. I would definitely get one of my wife because it would represent her style. She loves this color. And as we were mentioned earlier, this is how it can be done with the CUB series. So it can be personalized very much, which means that you can show your own style through your motorcycle. And the one and not last, this is my personal favorite, which is coming out next year, the CUB S series. It has a fat tire, front light, a unique design, and bringing back the cafe racer style into the CUB series. Last but not least, I want to show you the EV version of the CUB series, which is really good quality, bringing 72 volts, 50 amps, great model with great riding experiences. With the CUB EV series, you will get the unique style, the heritage line with electric motorcycle freedom.